My name's Anna, I work for Coed Lleol and I also work on a project with Newport Talbot on this site here, near Neath. This is Craig Gwladus, sort of near Kilverew, Callaxton area in the Neath Valley. And at the moment we've got some logging going on site. So we've got this lovely old beechwood, which does have some life going on at the moment as well. We've kind of got the bluebells beginning to sprout up. But it is quite crowded and all the trees have just grown really tall and straight rather than sort of big and branchy. And so the plan with the felling here is to thin the woodland, to let a bit more light through and to encourage the growth of the trees that remain. So the trees with the green spots on have still got to come down, and as you can see quite a lot have been taken out already. So rather than doing this with big machinery, we've got guys with chainsaws working in here. We are at the moment, it's nice and quiet, but we've also got the horse loggers here, and so rather than having big machinery sort of tearing through the woodland, dragging the timber out, we've got horses doing that work. So it's a traditional way of working in woodland, and on a steep site, the horses cope better than the machinery anyway. So before the fellows were brought on site, the woodland was surveyed and trees were marked that would have come out. So it might just be a matter of selecting the ones that are kind of weaker trees or to leave good trees. So there's multiple ways of selecting. So this is either sol or kip. So there's been 3 horses working on the site. There's a black one as well called Flynn, who's gone home, he's not here today. So I think the horses are used a bit interchangeably. And this one's just having a little pause at the moment. He's having some of his hay and having a little rest while the other one is hopefully working over there. Whoa!
Good boy. Good boy.
Is running all of this, and so yeah, I want to know what sort of horses they were, because they're smaller than Shires, but they're obviously good, stocky, strong horses.
Yes, they are. They are both Ardennes, from France and Belgium they come, and one of the reasons I like them for forestry is they're still bred for forestry and agriculture on the continent, so they've maintained that sort of stocky working type. And although they're unusual in the UK, they have actually been over here since Roman times. They came across as war horses. So they've been here a long time, but there still aren't that many of them over here. But they're perfect for what I use them for.
Yeah, no, they're lovely because they also seem quite docile, you know, when I've just sort of seen them.
Yeah, they are.
Well, I've seen them in the car park.
No,
they're
they
lovely
are.
and quite friendly.
They're very friendly. They're very approachable. They're great. They are, I mean, generally they have a great temperament. I think one of their weaknesses is they are really stubborn.
Okay.
But you can channel that, and they're fine. And that's what we've done this afternoon. We've channeled it, and you just keep them going, and they're absolutely fine. But they're both very experienced in what they do, so they're generally good.
Well, they look lovely, and they've definitely obviously been working hard because there's a huge amount of timber down on the tracks. So just a couple of weeks
busy.
here.
Yeah.